Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the ALLICAVER Wall Mount for Deco Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, benefits, installation process, and more. Let's start with a quick overview of the ALLICAVER Wall Mount for Deco Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. This product is designed to securely mount your Deco X20 or X55 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system on the wall, saving valuable desk space. Made from sturdy metal, it ensures durability and stability for your mesh system. It's a sleek and well-designed bracket that comes in a pack of 2. The wall mount is constructed from sturdy metal, providing a firm and reliable base for your Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. Say goodbye to cluttered desks. This bracket keeps your Deco X20, X55 off the table, freeing up space for other essentials. Installing the wall mount is a breeze. Simply mark the positions, drill holes, and use the provided drywall anchors and screws to secure it in place. It's designed to hide those messy wires, keeping your setup clean and organized. The mount prevents tipping and allows for easy access to all ports. Tailored specifically for Deco X20 and X55 mesh Wi-Fi systems. The ALLICAVER Wall Mount for Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is reasonably priced at $18.99 for a pack of 2. Each package includes 6 screws and 6 drywall anchors for hassle-free installation. ALLICAVER stands by the quality of their product, offering a 30-day refund guarantee. If you encounter any issues, they are committed to providing either a no-questions-asked refund or a replacement. Customer reviews and ratings on Amazon indicate a mixed experience, with some praising the product's functionality, while others mention concerns about its size. In conclusion, the ALLICAVER Wall Mount for Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system offers a practical solution for those looking to maximize space and organize their Deco X20, X55 mesh systems. It's well built, reasonably priced, and easy to install. However, be mindful of its size, as some users found it to be on the larger side. If you're in need of a space-saving solution for your Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, this product might be worth considering. That wraps up our review of the ALLICAVER Wall Mount for Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more product reviews on Product Critique. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with this product, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.